Today from Bomas, a team has come together to salvage our country. UDA, ANC, Ford Kenya, and all other parties who share the same vision. And I want to say it here, every vote, it is not only the vote of Rift Valley that counts. It is not only the vote of Mount Kenya that counts. It is not only the vote of Western Province that counts. Musalia Mudavadi talked about minorities. Every vote and every community and every region, regardless of its vote, counts as we move along to bring change to our country. Na Mungu awabariki. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Musalia. Mheshimiwa Musalia, sisi wengine wetu ambaye tunaamini Mungu, nikimalizia, leo usiku tukirudi kuomba, tutakuombea Mwenyezi Mungu. Kwa sababu wewe umeongea na Wakenya na umesema ukweli, and nobody can say anything that Musalia said is not the truth. It's the truth, but nothing but the truth. So help us God.